Nagpaplano na rin ba kayo ng mga friends mo mag-travel? Ito na yung best time para kulayan yung gala nyo because Philippine Airlines released its ultimate seat sale. If gusto nyong pumunta ng Cebu, Puerto Princesa, Bohol, and Siargao, mag-download na kayo ng PAL app or i-check nyo na yung updated prices sa website nila. Hindi lang domestic, you can check as well the fares for Thailand, Japan, Vietnam, and more. I book a Manila to Boracay for as low as 3,000 pesos. Hindi ka na lugi dito kasi alam natin kung gaano kaganda ang plane and services ng Philippine Airlines. And included na rin yung seat reservation dito. Book your travel hanggang August 31, 2025 only, and yung travel period will start from August 18, 2025 to February 1, 2026. If you have bookings on Klook and Agoda, you can use my discount codes para makatipid kayo. Follow me for more travel tips. Happy booking! Safe travels, everyone!